Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome to the Great Gallivanting. Thanks for tuning in to the adventure across the world. I'm getting ready to take off on my Wayfarer Expedition. I've got 18 months, 10 treks, 11 countries planned, and I'm about to pack up all my stuff. And I have totally destroyed my parents' living room. And that's not even everything. I've still got like my toiletries back there, a couple of miscellaneous things back in the back room, my GoPro bag over there on the table, which will have this in it. So this is not going to be a full packing video. This is just going to be me packing my bag. But I do have a whole entire packing series coming up, so stay tuned for that. And remember, if you enjoy the video, be sure to like it, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single thing coming to you from the adventure across the world. And I just realized I was probably backlit back there against the sun in my mom's pool. So hopefully you got to see all that. All right, let's get packing. So first things first, I'm going to get the clothes I'm going to wear when I leave tomorrow set aside, which I think I've got them all set aside over there. And then it's going to be, then the pack-a-thon is going to be on. So I'll set this right over there. Bing. All right. Okay, so that's that. Set this over here. Boom, shoes, boom, shag, that, all that. All right, time for the pack-a-thon to begin. I need these packing shoes. I'll do this.
Beneath the sun and burning skies, secrets whispered where shadows lie. Through jungles, tombs and sands untamed, a world awaits with truth unnamed. Clap your hands and hearts will chase guitar strings from the ancient space. Drums resound where echoes play. A hero rises today. Through golden light and crimson stones, each step reveals the path unknown. The distant call of legends old leads the brave to treasures bold. Clap your hands and hearts will chase guitar strings from the ancient space. Drums resound where echoes play. A hero rises today. The whispers grow as cliffs defy a leap of faith toward the sky. Each crack of whip, a tale retold. Fear and courage in its hold. Clap your hands and hearts will chase guitar strings from the ancient space. Drums resound where echoes play. A hero rises today.
All right, so that's the pack job. Like I said, minus a few things. These books here, those are gonna go in. I have a separate Pamplona bag because nothing I wear at Pamplona is gonna make it. It's all gonna get thrown away, including the shoes because they're gonna be destroyed. I'm not gonna go over that packing because this isn't a video about Pamplona. It's about the Wayfarer Expedition. You maybe noticed I'm wearing a V-neck shirt. Sorry, Mom, I know you hate these shirts, but, you know, it got hot, even though, you know, the house stays at 69 degrees every day. Packing for 22 straight minutes got hot. I also still have my GoPro stuff. That is going to get packed away. That's going to go in the day bag on the right hand side. I know exactly where that's going to go. And then over here you have my pile of stuff that's just I'm gonna wear. So that's packing for the Great Gallivanting. I've got an entire series detailing out what, or at least most of what I'm taking with me. So remember, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single thing coming to you from the adventure across the world. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm tired. See you guys on the road.